Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial that will take your browsing experience to the next level. We're going to show you how to enable Google Search in your very own custom dark mode using the Turn Off the Lights Chrome Extensions Night Mode feature. Trust me, once you try this, you won't be able to go back. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Alright, folks, before we get started, make sure you have the Turn Off the Lights Chrome extension installed. It's a fantastic tool that not only darkens your web pages but also adds some incredible customization options. If you haven't installed it yet, don't worry. We've got you covered. Check the link in the description below to get the extension up and running. Once you've installed the extension, open up your Google Chrome browser, and let's get started. Now, go ahead and click on double on the gray lamp icon at the top right corner of your browser. This will open up the mini settings panel. You'll see a bunch of options here, but today, we're interested in showing the night switch on the current web. Great! Now that the night switch is visible. Now, here comes the exciting part. While we're still in the mini settings panel, scroll down until you see the Night Mode button. Clicking on it will convert the current page to dark mode. Wow, would you look at that? Google Search is now in your own custom dark mode. No more eye strain while searching for information late at night. This is a game changer. But wait, there's more. The Turn Off the Lights extension works its magic on various websites, not just Google Search. You can try it out on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and many other platforms. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it, folks. You now know how to enable Google Search in your very own custom dark mode using the Turn Off the Lights Chrome Extensions Night Mode feature. Wasn't that super easy? If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful content like this. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.